Veteran sports presenter and iconic boxing promoter Keith Brown has passed away. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Veteran sports broadcaster and boxing promoter Keith Brown has passed away. Keith, the brother of Jamaica Boxing Board General Secretary Leroy Brown, passed away in New York on Monday after a period of illness. Keith Brown is best known for his work as an anchor sports presenter on the Jamaica Broadcasting Corporation, more popularly known as JBC, now Television Jamaica Sports and News, and for his presentation of a hit television series Thursday Night at the Fights. He also made a significant contribution to the staging of the J. Ray and Neville Contender series between 2011 and 2018. Keith Brown was also a member of MKB Productions, which operated the successful staging of the Heineken StarTime shows. He was age 82 at the time he passed away. Brown distinguished himself in journalism and public relations at the Gleaner Company, the Jamaica Broadcasting Corporation, and Alpart Bauxite before venturing into show promotion in the 90s. Keith Brown was a media and public relations giant with a passionate love for music. We here at Links 007 TV just want to take this opportunity just to express our condolences to his family and friends. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.